Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix your Motorola Moto G55 heating while charging. So if your phone is heating while charging, then it's normal if you're charging your phone using fast charging. So don't worry about it, but what you guys can do is check for the background apps causing any heat or high power consumption. So unlock your phone and go to the settings, and here in the settings we need to go over to battery. So here we have the battery. Now what we can do is we can go over and see the battery usage. So here we can find every single app that causes a lot of high power consumption. So it goes the same for the heat. When the app is causing high power consumption, then it also causes your device to heat up. So as you guys can see, battery use is only for two apps right here for me, and we can disable them in the background by clicking don't allow right here. Now we can do the same with, let's say, the Google Wallet, and now we can be sure that this problem will disappear. Now for the next step, what you guys want to do is use the original charger and the cable. So don't use anything else. Don't use your friend's charger, you need to have your own. So after that, what you guys can do is avoid the phone while charging it. So for example, you don't need to game while on the charger. You don't want to use TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, nothing. Just keep the phone, and then after an hour, after it charges to 100%, then you guys can use it like you did an hour earlier. So now for the next step, you need to remove the case if you have one to improve the heat dissipation, so the heat is not getting trapped inside of the case. And you need to charge your phone in a cool and ventilated area. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.